Updating the Taptap app is a straightforward process that ensures you have access to the latest features and games. To begin, open the Taptap app on your device and navigate to the profile section, usually represented by an icon of a person. In the profile section, look for the settings option, which may be represented by 3 dots or a gear icon. Tap on the settings option to access the app's settings menu. Within the settings menu, scroll down to the About section, where you will find the version information and the update option. If an update is available, you will see a button that says Update or a similar prompt. Tap on the Update button to proceed to the update process. You will be redirected to the App Store where the Taptap app is listed. On the App Store page, tap the Update button to start downloading the latest version of the Taptap app. The update process may take a few seconds to complete, depending on your internet connection. Once the update is complete, tap the Open button to launch the updated Taptap app. You can now explore the new features and games available in the updated version. It is essential to regularly update the Taptap app to ensure you have access to the latest games, security patches, and features. Additionally, updating the app can help resolve any bugs or issues you may be experiencing. By following these simple steps, you can easily update the Taptap app and stay up to date with the latest developments in the gaming community.